Hey guys, this is McMyers. In today's tutorial, we're gonna make a dark elixir on the reel and a dark elixir storage. So let's get on it. First thing, you wanna have a hopper and cobblestone wall. Where is this guy? And for the level 1, this is gonna be included. And get a cobblestone wall. This for master of, I will give credits. This is the dark elixir ground. You can put there anything that you want and make a storage. This is the dark elixir storage. So we're just gonna do a half one. A half dark elixir storage. Now guys, how do you like my build? It's so beautiful. Not for the storage. And goodbye to all the viewer friendly. And goodbye to friendly YouTubers out there. This is mine. Give a credit please to Master of and me for building the dark elixir wheel. And peace out. Goodbye.